Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be doing one of my favorite videos here on my channel, which is a Boxy Charm unboxing. Okay, you guys, so I know this video is kind of late. This is the Luxe box for September. It is October now, sis. It took so long for this box to get here, so I'm really hoping that it's worth it. So this is the box for September, and this is the Luxe box. So Boxy Charm has 3 different tier options, and this one is an extra fee on top of the regular box, but it's always usually pretty good stuff. So here's the card that's gonna tell us what everything is, but we wanna be surprised, so we're not gonna look at it, but looks like everything is gonna be geared towards fall. I actually didn't do like my full makeup today because if there are some eyeshadows or some goodies that I can, add on top of today's look, then I wanna go ahead and use these out with you guys today. So this first thing is, oh, it's a Rare Beauty. It's an eyeshadow palette, you guys, from Rare Beauty. Oh, let's see. Oh, this packaging is so cute. Girl, this matched my outfit. This is so cute. Okay, so that is the packaging, and this one is called the Confident Energy Palette. This is absolutely a palette that I could use to like make a look with this outfit. Like this color right here. Oh my gosh, sis. All right, so the next thing that we have is it's a contour palette by Cap Cosmetics. So Cap Cosmetics gave us an eyeshadow palette that was really cute. So let's see what this contour palette looks like. And this is the volume 2, so I'm assuming that there's a volume 1 out there. Ooh, okay. So you guys seen in my Ulta haul, I hope you guys watched my Ulta haul, but I got a contour palette from Juvia's Place, and then like right before that I got an Alamar Cosmetics contour palette from Boxy Charm. So now we have an even bigger palette, and these are what the colors look like. It's a little bit dirty, but that's okay. It's powders, and I'm gonna be real honest. This shade right here is the darkest shade, I would say. Yeah, this is supposed to be like the darkest shade, it looks like. It's very ashy looking, like it's an ashy brown. It's not one that's like gonna warm up, at least my face. But let's see. Yeah, no, that is so, y'all, that is so ashy, and like my hand obviously is lighter than my face, so it shows up here, but I don't think this would be good on my face. Like, and if anybody darker than me tried to use this, I don't think that would work for you. And I just don't understand what, let me see if cinnamon is supposed to be like somewhat darker. No, not at all. Not at all. I don't know what I'm supposed to do with that. That's like a highlighter shade right there. Okay, so it's cute. I like it. I love the idea. And I've actually been doing people's makeup recently, so it definitely will come in handy. Maybe more so with these like highlighting shades at the top, but like sis, these things down here, maybe a nose contour, I'm thinking maybe I could use it for that, but like anything else, this is not gonna cut it for me. I need something warmer than that, something for my skin tone. The new defense drops, so immunity drops. Let's see what this is. So they're actual herbal supplements. It has a rosemary, yastrig, Richina, what's this? And I don't know how to say this, but this is what it looks like here. And it says what it has is an organic blend of purpura root, elethro root, astragalus root, rosemary herb, and organic Sachasandra berry. I don't know what the heck, I have no idea what any of these herbs are. I would definitely have to like go online and really understand like what this is supposed to help do. Yeah, I don't even know what these vitamins are. So I mean, I'm sure they like have some type of benefits to them, but I don't even know what this is. So I'm gonna have to like really do some research before I just like start taking it. Like I know it's supposed to help with, immunity, but like, what is it? Okay, so the next thing that we have is by Saturday Skin, and it says it's called Pretty Pop, and it is a probiotic powder whip. What is it though? Maybe it's like a moisturizer. I don't know, it smells pretty cool. Unveil your luminosity. Okay, so it says to place this moisturizer into the palm of your hand using all 4 fingers to apply in an outward circular motion, tapping the moisturizer into the skin. So I'm going to assume this is a probiotic moisturizer and it's whipped. It does say 4 times probiotic boost to help the look of healthy complexion, 2 times prebiotics to activate the full power of the probiotic fusion. And it has niacinamide to help improve texture, tone, and radiance in the skin. So, it's a moisturizer. So y'all know it wouldn't be a Boxy Charm box if we didn't get another mascara. This is the iconic Triple Threat Mascara. Okay, so it looks like we have some CBD shampoo and conditioner here. This is by Outre, and I've never heard of Outre, but this says this has intense hydration, which I so desperately need. And it helps for fine, medium, and thick hair. Ooh, so it says that this daily cleanser will repair and hydrate while soothing scalp and protecting color. So, I'm gonna look this up before I give it a try, because I feel like in the last Boxy Charm box that I got, there was a hair care product that was supposed to be for your scalp, and I swear it made my scalp so dry, like I was about to cry. So, I mean, I have to just be a little bit more cognizant when I'm putting stuff in my hair. So I'm gonna check this out, and I'm definitely gonna give it a try if it says good things. So we have another product from the Lifestyle Co, and this is the Bamboo Body Polish. The Lifestyle Co gave me like this really nice like headache relief balm oil type of thing, and I actually use it faithfully, you guys, and I feel like it works. So this body polish is complete liquid. Sis, this is a sauce. How is this supposed to... How am I supposed to polish my body with a sauce like this? This is not even... Let me see, does it have some texture to it? It smells good. It's a very, very, very fine exfoliant, if anything. Like, I don't even think y'all can see those beads. Like, that's how fine it is. And I mean, I'll give it a try. You know, I'll put it in the shower. We're gonna see. Maybe Jordan will use it too. But like, I really wouldn't call this an exfoliant. Like, I like hard, kind of, you know, real gritty exfoliants. And this is definitely a lighter version. So if you have sensitive skin, this might be really good. But it smells really good. Like, really, really good. Okay, and the last and final thing is a Dew of the Gods Froze Hydro Activated Lip Scrub. I take off the top. This has some really cute packaging though. Oh, the bottle is even cuter than the actual package. And it says the gift of forgiveness. See, that is a scrub. See, I want something with beads and texture like that. Like, that is really going to scrub something. Because, like, you know, soft scrubs, I don't feel like they're, like, you know, really getting deep enough to, like, get the dead skin and all that stuff. Like, no. So this has sugar, strawberry extract, coconut oil, jojoba oil, shea butter, vitamin E, vitamin C, and hyaluronic acid. So it says all you have to do is literally just pick it up, scrub it on your lips, and, like, wipe it off. Which seems like it's like very easy. Alrighty, so I zoomed you guys in just a little bit so that way we can go ahead and play with this Rare Beauty eyeshadow palette. Now, as I said, you guys, this palette has some really cute colors that I think would actually look really nice with this look that I have going on right now. So we're gonna go ahead and jump into it, and I don't see that it comes with a brush, which is, that's okay because I never really use the brushes that come inside eyeshadow palettes anyways. And I put a little bit of bronzer on my lid, and I have a little bit of mascara on. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm going to take this brush here, and these are all shimmers, you guys. So it's either gonna be all shimmers or just like one splash of color. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm going to take this brown bronzy shade first, and I'm gonna go ahead and put this on the outer half of my eyelid. And this applies really easily. Like, it picked up a lot on this brush, but it applies very nicely. You know sometimes how you have to use your finger instead of a brush because it doesn't deposit? This is actually putting a really nice foundation of the color down. And I feel like low-key, you guys, I could put this on my whole lid, but I'm not gonna do that because I wanna kind of try this pop. I'm gonna take this gold color here. Actually, they have names. Okay, so I'm gonna take, the next color is gonna be Strong, which is this nice golden color here. And I'm going to place this right in front of that nice brown color. The brown color was called Gusty. So I'm putting Strong right in front of Gusty. And like I said, I have some of my contour color kind of just brushed in my crease, so I'm just taking these colors up until that point, and then I'm gonna go ahead and just pack this where those meet so that they can transition nicely into one another. These are so pigmented. Like the fact that this is depositing like this without any other tools is so nice. Like I'm really liking this. I'm feeling it. Okay, and with a pointed brush, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm going to take Boost, which is this beautiful green right here that I feel like matches this outfit so perfectly. And I'm gonna put this on the inner tear duct. Just like that. It's not too glittery, you guys. Like I feel like it gives a very nice payout, like this green, and I really just love how the colors just kind of blended and melted together. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna do the other eye, and then I'll be right back. So I already put on some mascara, but if you guys know me, I normally do like 3 coats of mascara, and this is just 1. So since Boxy Charm gave us a mascara, I'm gonna go ahead and use this, and I really like that brush. Like this is the type of brush that helps separate and coat each lash without clumping them up, and I really love mascaras that have this because this gives you like just that really elongated look. So like I said, I already had on 1 coat of mascara already, y'all, and like look, I think you can see the differences. Can you see? Are you paying attention? Can you see this? Like this brush, I'm telling you, these type of brushes really get the job done. I love them. I love them. And right now this formula is like, it's clumpy, but like not too clumpy to the point where it's like, oh my. It's just, I just be wanting to be great. And that is it for this Boxy Charm unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing some of the stuff that I got for the month of September. Again, I apologize that we are actually walking into October, but I hope you guys decide to join Boxy Charm. If you guys do want to give it a try, go ahead and check my description box. I have a code down there. I don't know what the code gets you, but I have a code for you guys to use, and hopefully maybe that might get you some money off. It probably won't, so don't hold your breath, but get your plug on your makeup, sis. Like I really enjoy Boxy Charm. I love doing these reviews for you guys, and I hope you guys find them to be helpful. So if you guys did like this video, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe to my channel. I do post every Tuesday and Friday, but if you can't remember that, it is all good. Just hit that notification bell and you will get notified every time I post a video. And we are still going strong for our giveaway. I do think that we are going to be concluding our giveaway on a Friday. Friday is going to be the day, so please make sure, if you haven't entered the giveaway or don't even know what I'm talking about, check out my last Ulta haul. I explained everything there and how to enter and what exactly you will be winning. Make sure to follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. I will link those down below so that way you can easily click and follow. And I thank you guys so much for spending some time with me today and watching this video. It truly means a lot to me. Again, I want to get back to you guys, so make sure you enter my giveaway so that way you can win some free makeup, and I will see you guys in my next video.